Welcome everybody.
Everybody.
So today John, he's going to try Calimocho for his first time. Calimocho is a mix of drink we drink in Spain. It's more common in the north for young people. So it's just red wine with Coke. So are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
So we just put some ice. We always use a cheap red wine. We can just mix a good wine with Coke, you know. You can do half-half or a bit less if you don't want like too strong. I like a bit strong. Do you like red wine?
I do like red wine, yeah.
So maybe you like this.
I love it. I like it too much.
Salud.
Salud. Thanks, our lass. Never had it before, Coke in red wine, but that is really tasty.
You like it?
It's really nice. See?
Another one.
Yes, salud. It's really
Adios.
tasty, really tasty. Adios!
Adios.